Welcome to this tutorial on using Mythos Class Models with Claude Fable 5. If you're a fantasy novelist looking to create a rich, immersive world, you're in the right place. To get started, let's launch Claude Fable 5. You can search for it online or click the icon on your taskbar. Once it's open, create a new project and let's dive in. Now that we have our project set up, let's create a Mythos class model for a mythological being. In our example, we'll use a dragon. We'll define its attributes, such as its name, type, and abilities. We'll also assign traits, like its personality and weaknesses. This will help us build a rich, immersive world for our story. With our Mythos class model in place, we can now design magical creatures for our world. Let's create a creature that's native to our dragon's habitat. We'll use the Mythos class model to assign abilities and traits that fit with our dragon's world. This will help us build a cohesive, immersive environment for our story. One common mistake people make when using Mythos class models is forgetting to update the model as their world evolves. This can lead to inconsistencies in their story, which can be frustrating for readers. Let's see what happens when we forget to update our Mythos class model. We'll create a new creature that contradicts our existing model, and see how Claude Fable 5 handles it. To get the most out of Mythos class models, it's essential to practice using them. Try experimenting with different scenarios, such as creating a new mythological being or designing a magical creature. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with using the models, and the more immersive your world will be.